So suppose we write something variable name is equal to Dwarika. So in name we are storing the name Dwarika, correct? So that's name is defined as a variable. So simple example we have really written like username, age, salary. So these are the variables. So think of a variable like a container. Suppose you have a container, you write, you keep it something inside that. So same variable works. So we will see first JavaScript variables. Okay. So now we are here to compare with JavaScript and TypeScript, right? So we will understand both how we will define in JavaScript or TypeScript. We'll understand. So first we'll see on JavaScript. So in JavaScript we create variables using var, let, and const. So these three keyword we have. We call it keyword. Okay. These are the keyword. These are the keyword actually we say it, right? So in JavaScript we create variables using var, let, const. Okay. So var is the old way. Like example है var name. So I have given keyword var name Dwarika console log. Okay. So if I'll run it, so node index.js. Directly you can give the node, so you can run your JS file, JavaScript file. Okay. You can see Dwarika coming, right? As of now, ignore this user admin and password. Whatever is there already, also it's running. Okay. So Dwarika ran it, right? But what problem we have is here, main problem is like where is not where is a scope issue. This is not blocked scope issue. It is not defined in the block label actually. So actually, what is happened? If you take this example, okay. So let me comment this, and this is also not required. Let me comment this as well. So if true where is equal to 25, so this is the block, right? This is the block, correct? This is the block, but I am printing out of the block, right? So ideally, let's see what is happening. 25 is comes up, right? So this is what issue is. Suppose if I like name uh, Dwarika Dubey.